In this nugget, we're going to look at alloys. Quickly, let's recap metals. Metal is a natural, inorganic material. It is used for building, medicine, jewellery, cutlery, electronics, tools, coins, and art. Metals are malleable, good conductors of heat and electricity, shiny and rigid. Malleable means able to be bent and shaped without breaking. Metals are malleable because the atoms inside are arranged in regular layers, and these layers can easily slide over each other. Alloys are manufactured blends of metals. Alloys are used when the properties of metals need to be altered in some way to make them fit for purpose. Usually this is to make them harder and less malleable. Hardness describes how resistant to scratching, denting, and cutting a material is. For example, gold is often used in jewellery, but pure gold is very soft and would be dented or bent very easily. Gold is mixed with other metals such as silver to make it a harder alloy. When we talk about the carats of gold jewellery, we mean how pure it is. 9-carat gold is harder but less pure than 18-carat gold. 24-carat gold is pure gold. Bronze is a mixture of copper and tin. It is as decorative as copper, but it is much harder. Aluminium has a very low density, but it's very soft. When made into an alloy, it's ideal for making aeroplanes. Adding a second element to the metal introduces atoms of a different shape. As a result, alloys are harder than pure metals. Alloys are harder as the layers of the metal are distorted. The metal is harder and cannot be bent as easily as the layers can no longer slide across each other. To summarise, properties of a metal tell us whether it will be useful for a certain job or product. Metals have the property of being malleable. This is because the metal atoms are in layers which slide over each other. Alloys are a mixture of a metal element's atoms with another metal or non-metal element's atoms. Alloys are hard as the normal metal layers are distorted, meaning they cannot slide over each other. Keywords: metal, a collection of elements with similar properties. Alloy, a mixture of metal atoms with atoms of another metal or non-metal element. Malleability, how easily a material can be flattened into sheets without damage and without needing to be heated. Hardness, resistant to scratching, denting, and cutting. Karat, carat with a C is the UK spelling. A measure of how pure gold is a fraction of 24. For example, 18-carat gold is 18 parts gold and 6 parts of another metal.